In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export subscribers from MailerLite. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open MailerLite. If you have your credentials handy, go ahead and log in. It's super straightforward, and once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, which is your hub for everything you need to manage your email marketing. Now, once you're logged in, look over to the left side menu. This is your navigation panel. You'll want to click on Subscribers. This is where all your subscriber information lives, and it's crucial for managing your email campaigns. After you've clicked on Subscribers, you'll be presented with various options, and one of the key things here is to choose the subscriber status you want to export. You might want to export just your active subscribers, or perhaps you want to grab the entire list, including all statuses. So go ahead and select the option that fits your needs. If you're looking to export everything, choose All. Now that you've narrowed down which subscribers you want to export, it's time to select them. If you are looking to export your whole list, there's a handy drop-down menu next to the subscriber column. Click that and select All Subscribers. This allows you to prepare for a more comprehensive export without individually selecting each subscriber, which can be time-consuming. With the subscribers you've selected, you now need to set which specific columns of information you would like included in the export. This is where it gets interesting, because you may not want to export every single detail about your subscribers. Click on Set Columns to see all the customizable options. You'll likely want to include essential information, such as the email addresses, the name of each subscriber, their country, and even groups they belong to in MailerLite if applicable. Make sure to check the boxes for the columns you need. This way, you get all the valuable data while keeping the file neat and clean. Once you have your column set, it's time to take action. Look for the Actions button. This button is typically situated at the top right of the subscriber list. It serves as a gateway to several options, including exporting the information you've gathered so far. Click on Actions, and you'll see two choices: Export CSV and Export CSV for Excel. Now, here's a little tip. If you're planning to use the file in Excel for further analysis or editing, you might want to choose Export CSV for Excel. This option formats the file to ensure compatibility with Excel. But if you're simply after a CSV file that you can utilize in other applications, then Export CSV will do the trick just fine. After you select your preferred export option, your subscriber list will begin preparing for download. You may see a prompt or a progress bar, indicating that everything is being processed neatly into a file. Once it's ready, the file will automatically download to your computer, typically saving to your default download location, unless specified otherwise. And there you have it. You've successfully exported subscribers from MailerLite. Now you can utilize this information for various purposes, whether you've got a new campaign lined up, need to clean up your list, or perhaps want to analyze the data for insights. Remember, managing your subscribers efficiently can significantly enhance your email marketing effectiveness. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.